Breville has been a go-to brand in my kitchen because they focus on smart design, reliable performance, and tools that actually make cooking easier. From everyday meals to quick experiments, Breville products feel thoughtfully built for real home use. Finding the best Breville air fryer oven can feel overwhelming when you just want reliable cooking, simple controls, and real versatility in one appliance. The best Breville air fryer oven delivers even air frying, baking, and roasting, making it a great fit for busy US kitchens that value speed and consistency. From my own experience using Breville ovens for daily meals, the precision heat and smart presets remove a lot of guesswork. After testing many countertop ovens over the years, I know what actually holds up long term. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 6. Breville BOV860 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville BOV860 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer feels like a full-size oven made for the countertop. I've used it often, and the Element IQ system is the real star. Food cooks evenly with no hot or cold spots, even when air frying. The dedicated air fry setting delivers crispy fries and wings without drying them out, which is great for healthier meals at home. Super convection cuts cooking time, perfect for busy US weeknights. I also love the 11 cooking functions. One oven handles toast, pizza, roasting, and baking. It is pricey and takes space, but the performance makes it feel worth it. Number 5. The Breville BOV650XL, the Compact Smart Oven. The Breville BOV650XL Compact Smart Oven is perfect if you want Breville performance without giving up counter space. I've used it in a small kitchen and the size feels just right. The Element IQ system really works. Toast browns evenly and pizza cooks without burnt edges. Preheating is fast, which helps on busy mornings. I like the simple LCD and the 8 cooking modes. It covers daily needs well. The interior is easy to clean too. The trade-off is capacity. It's not ideal for large trays or family meals. Still, for apartments or dorms, it's a smart, reliable pick. Number 4. The Breville BOV845 BSS Smart Oven Pro. The Breville BOV845 BSS Smart Oven Pro is one of those countertop ovens that quickly replaces your main oven. I noticed the convection fan right away. Meals cook faster and brown more evenly, which helps on busy weeknights. The slow cook function feels like a bonus. I've used it for tender roasts without babysitting the oven. The interior light and clear LCD make cooking stress-free. Capacity is generous for US families, even fitting a 13-inch pizza. Downsides? It needs counter space and runs warm outside. Still, it's reliable, flexible, and built for everyday cooking. Number 3. The Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven. The Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Countertop Oven is perfect when space matters but performance still counts. I've used it in a small kitchen and it fits easily without feeling limiting. Toast comes out even, cookies bake well, and the pizza setting works great for quick meals. The Element IQ system really helps with consistent heat, and the fast preheat saves time on busy mornings. I like the simple LCD controls and easy cleanup thanks to the non-stick interior. The trade-off is capacity. It's not for large meals. Still, for apartments or dorms, it's a smart pick. Number 2. The Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro feels like a full-size oven sitting on your counter. I've used it for air frying, roasting, and even dehydrating fruit, and it handles all 3 with ease. The super convection fan makes fries crisp fast, not greasy. I also love the dehydrate mode, which works on multiple trays at once. The interior space is huge. It can handle family meals or meal prep without stress. Controls are clear, and the oven light helps a lot. The downside is size. It needs counter space. Still, for serious home cooks, it's worth it. Number 1. The Breville BOV950BSS Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This oven feels like having a smart chef at home. I really enjoy the Joule autopilot feature because it handles timing and temperature for me, which takes stress out of cooking. Guided recipes from trusted brands are easy to follow and great for trying new meals. Voice control is surprisingly useful when my hands are busy. Air frying comes out crispy, and dehydrating snacks works well too. I also like checking progress from my phone. It does need counter space, and the price is premium, but the convenience feels worth it. Final verdict. After testing all these Breville models, my top pick for the best Breville air fryer oven is the Breville BOV950BSS Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Its smart features like Joule autopilot, guided recipes, and voice control take stress out of cooking, while air frying and dehydrating deliver crisp, tasty results every time. It feels like a connected chef in your kitchen. If you want a more budget-friendly but still powerful option, I'd recommend the Breville BOV860BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer. It brings excellent air fry performance, super convection speed, and versatile cooking modes without the premium smart extras. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the Breville that fits your style and kitchen best.